This video, I'm going to be solving Ransom note, and I'm going to be doing it using Naturalogic, which allows me to solve LeetCode style problems without having to actually write any code. So Ransom note, given two strings, Ransom note and magazine, return true if Ransom note can be constructed by using letters from magazine and false otherwise. Each letter in magazine can only be used once in Ransom note. Okay, so what algorithm pattern does this fit into? I think that it's going to be a two-pointer or maybe just a sliding window. But essentially what I want to do is I want to go through the magazine and put it into a or let's actually write it out here. I want to go through the magazine and put it into a frequency map where the key is the character and the value is the number of occurrences of that character within the magazine. Once I have my frequency map, I can then go through the ransom node itself, and for each letter in the ransom node, I can check if it exists in the hash map. And if it does exist, I will reduce its value by 1 because we've now used up that letter. And if it doesn't exist, then I know that we don't have a letter, so I can go ahead and return false. Otherwise, I will return true. Let's go ahead and submit this. Okay. How I had to have the character's frequency in the ransom node is greater than the frequency in the magazine. So let's say the ransom note needs 3 characters of A and the magazine only has 2 characters of A. In the hash map, the magazine will have a value of 2 for A. And when I'm going through the ransom node, each time I find an A, I will decrement that by 1. So it'll go from 2 to 1, then 1 to 0. And then eventually it'll be at the point where I am at the third A in the ransom note, but there is no longer any A's remaining in the magazine, at which point I will return false. Okay, let's submit that and get feedback. Okay, great. So we got 85. Good solid grasp by using a frequency map to solve the ransom note. Okay, everything looks good. The sliding window pattern I mentioned was initially the right problem. Yep, I agree. It wasn't really something I'd call a sliding window. Consider the most suitable algorithm pattern. I used the hash map was correct. I communicated well. Okay, it looks good.